Hi, welcome to the channel NCERT Maths Tutor, Class 10 Mathematics, Chapter 6 Triangles, Exercise 6.4. Question number 3 Solution. In figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base ABC. If AD intersects BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO divided by DO. We have to prove this one. First, in this question, they have given this figure. We have to make some modification in this figure to get the answer. First of all, let us write the given value. See, they have given ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. So this is given to us, so that I am going to write first. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC. Also, they have given if AD intersects BC at O. Here we have AD, this diagonal intersect BC diagonal at one point, and that point is O. That is given to us. So I am writing in the given step as AD intersects BC at O. This is the given data. Next, here what we have to prove? We have to prove this one. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO divided by DO. To prove this one, we have to make some changes in the diagram. Let us see what changes we have to do. See, first here we have this point A. From this point A to this side BC, I will draw one perpendicular. Similarly, here from this point D to BC side, I am drawing one perpendicular. So here we have, let us name this as M and let us name this as N. So here we have AM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular BC. This construction part you have to do in this figure. So that I am writing now, draw AM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular BC. Now let us write the proof. See, first here I am taking here two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DBC. In this triangle, first let us write the area, because we need to show this one. So for that we need the area of triangle ABC as well as the area of triangle DBC. So how to find the area? To find the area, we use the formula area of any triangle is equal to half into base into height. So using this formula, now we need to find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC. So area of triangle ABC is half into, if I consider this triangle, here BC is the base. They have given in the question same base BC. So BC is the base and height. AM, this AM perpendicular we can take as a height. So AM is the height. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, half into BC into AM. Similarly, area of triangle DBC, here BC is the base and height is this perpendicular, that is DN. So area of triangle DBC is equal to half into BC into DN. Next, let us write this as area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to half into BC into AM divided by half into BC into DN. We have this part in both the side, so I am cancelling this one. So we have remaining here AM divided by DN. We got this. Next, let us leave this as it is. Now I am taking two more triangles, triangle AMO, this triangle, and triangle DNO. Another is this triangle. These two triangles I am taking. See, in these two triangles, you can see one thing here, angle AMO, this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, in this triangle, angle DNO means this angle is 90 degree. So, first here I am writing angle AMO is equal to angle DNO. Reason is equal to 90 degree. Both the angle is equal to 90 degree. Next thing is here, if you observe this angle, we know if there are two lines and if two lines are intersecting with each other, then some angles are created, then opposite angles are always equal. Here this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. These angles are known as vertically opposite angle. Here also you can see we have BC line as well as AD line. These two lines are intersecting with each other. So here four angles are created. So this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. That means in these two triangles now we can say this angle is equal to this. So angle DON is equal to angle AOM. So that I am writing reason is vertically opposite angles. Now in these two triangles we have shown two angles are equal. In two triangles, if two angles are equal, then the third angle is automatically equal. That means, for example, let us say that we have two triangles. Here one is 60 degree, another one is 70 degree. Here also one is 60 degree, another is 70 degree. If these two angles are equal, then the third angle is also equal. Here you get 180 minus 60 minus 70 means 50 degree. Here also 180 minus 60 minus 70 means 50 degree. So you can see that. So we are not going to write the third angle equality. Instead of that, we just write here by AA. AA means angle. See, when you consider the similarity criterion of triangles, we have AAA similarity criterion, then SSS similarity criterion, and then we have SAS similarity criterion. Along with this, you can add one more criterion, that is AA similarity criterion. In this case, we are going to show only two equal angles. So in these two triangles, we have shown these two angles are equal. So by AA similarity criterion of triangles, now we can say these two triangles are similar. So triangle AMO similar to triangle DNO. Now we know these two triangles are similar. So if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal ratio. That we know, or their corresponding sides equal in proportion. That we have studied in the theorem. So let us write the corresponding sides ratio. So how to write the corresponding sides? See, you have the triangles in this way. Now we have to choose the corresponding sides. So to choose the corresponding sides, if you have a confusion, then you can choose like this way. See, in this case here, among these two triangles, we know these two angles are equal. So opposite to this we have AM side, opposite to this here we have the side DN. So one ratio you can write AM divided by DN. Next, these two angles are equal. So opposite to this, here we have the side AO, here we have the side DO. So AO divided by DO. Then write the another remaining side, that is MO divided by NO. Like this way, you can write the corresponding sides ratio. So that I am writing now. So why I have written this one? Because these two triangles are similar, and we know that if triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal proportion. So that's why I am writing this. Next here, from this I am taking only this one, that is nothing but this much part. See here, we know that AM by DN is equal to AO by DO. We have already got here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AM divided by DN. This we have already got. Now we got this AM by DN is equal to AO by DO here. That means now we can write in this place, this one. So we get here from equation 1, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AM by DN that we have proved above, and this AM by DN is equal to this, so is equal to AO by DO. That means we can say here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO divided by DO. So this we have to prove. Hence proved. This is about question number 3 solution. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the bell icon to get regular notification. Thanks for watching.